Then next one, salts of weak acid and weak bases. Here Ba is a salt, Ha is weak acid and BOH is the weak base. Then Ba is dissolved, that is the salt is dissolved in water. It dissociated completely because it is made by weak acid and weak base. So Ba undergo completely dissociation to form B plus A minus. Both are in aqueous state. The hydrolysis of reaction involves the interaction of both ions of the salts with water. Then Ba plus A minus plus H2O gives BOH plus Ba. It is weak base and weak acid. The solution may turns of acidic, basic or neutral, which is depends on the relative strength of weak base and weak acids forming in हायड्रॉलिसिस. ओके, म्हणजे एखादं सोल्युशन ॲसिड स्ट्रेंथ ते ॲसिडिक आहे, बेसिक आहे का न्यूट्रल आहे, कशावर डिपेंड असणार आहे, द रिलेटिव्ह स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ वीक बेस अँड वीक ॲसिड. वीक ॲसिड अँड वीक बेसच्या रिलेटिव्ह स्ट्रेंथवर डिपेंड असणार आहे. इफ Ka is equal to Kb, the solution will be acidic. It is dissociation constant. Then if Ka is less than Kb, the solution will be basic because B is the greater than Ka. So Ka is equal to Kb, the solution will be neutral. First of all, let's see the salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. Okay, then first of all, the salt NH4F is salt, HF is a weak acid and NH4OH is a weak base. So the Ka value of HF, that is weak acid, is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 and Kb is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Here Ka is greater than Kb. The salt hydrolysis as NH4 plus F minus plus H2O. Under dissociation it gives NH4OH plus HF. Okay, it gives weak base and weak acid. Two ions reacts with water. Okay, both ions, that is NH4 and F minus, NH4 plus and F minus, both are separately reacts with water. Then NH4 reacts, undergo hydrolysis, it gives NH4OH plus H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. F minus react, undergo hydrolysis, it gives HF plus OH minus. Then it is a weak acid, it is a weak base. So here NH4 plus ions hydrolysis to a slightly greater extent than the F minus ions. Okay, that means the reaction produces more H3O plus ions than the OH minus ions produces in a reaction. The solution of NH4F is that only slightly acidic and turns blue litmus red. लक्षात आलं acidic का आहे, because the Ka is greater than Kb. Then salts of weak acids and weak bases for which Ka is smaller than Kb. Then here another one example for which explain the Ka is smaller than Kb and the nature of solution is basic. NH4Cn, the salt SCN, weak acid, and NH4OH is a weak base. The Ka value of weak acid, that is SCN, is 4.0 into 10 raised to minus 10 and NH4 Kb value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Here Ka is smaller than Kb. The salt hydrolysis as NH4 plus Cl minus plus H2O, which gives NH4OH plus SCN. So there is a weak acid and weak base. Their base NH4OH is stronger than the acid of SCN. So the ions of salt reacts with water. So both ions reacts with water. that is NH4 undergo hydrolysis, that is reacts with water, there is a formation of NH4OH, and Cl undergo hydrolysis to form a SCl. Okay, thus Cl minus ions hydrolyze to the greater extent than the NH4 plus ions. In above reaction, the reaction produces more OH minus ions than the H3O plus ions produces in the reaction. The solution of this NH4Cl is basic and that turns the red litmus blue. Then the next one, salts of weak acids and weak base for which Ka is equal to Kb. Okay. Then for example, salt is NaCH3COONH4 is a salt, and this weak acid is CH3COOH. Acetic acid is a weak acid which has a Ka value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5, and weak base is NH4OH is a weak base. Kb value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. When CH3COONH4 is dissolved in water, it undergo hydrolysis. Then CH3COO minus plus NH4 plus H2O, it gives weak acid, acetic acid and NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. It is a weak base. The ions of this salt reacts with water. This CH3COO plus H2O, which gives CH3COOH plus OH, and NH4 reacts with or undergo hydrolysis, which gives NH4OH plus H3O. As Ka is equal to Kb, the relative strength of acid and base produces in hydrolysis is the same. Therefore, the solution is neutral. The hydrolysis of NH4 produces, it may CH3O plus ions as that of CH3COO minus produces OH minus ions. Okay, then there is a weak acid and weak base which having acid nature acidic, basic and neutral. Then फक्त हे चार्ट फॉर्म मध्ये आत्ता जेवढं शिकलो आपण ते चार्ट फॉर्म मध्ये मी केलं आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायला ते उपयोगी पडेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो द ॲसिड रिॲक्ट्स विथ बेस गिव्स rise to salt and water. It is neutralization reaction. Then first of all, acid reacts with base gives salt and water. First of all, strong acid strong base बघूया, नंतर strong acid weak base, weak acid strong base and weak acid weak base. First of all, acid reacts with NaOH gives salt, NH4Cl and water. Then when strong acid H2SO4 reacts with weak base CuOH twice, it gives CuSO4 plus H2O. Then weak acid, acetic acid, strong base sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium acetate is a salt and H2O. Then weak acid, acetic acid reacts with weak base ammonium hydroxide, it gives CH3COO NH4, it is a salt, ammonium acetate and water. Okay, the next one पूर्ण समरी केलेली आहे. जेवढं आपण हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सॉल्ट अँड देअर नेचर जे स्टडी केलं ते शॉर्टमध्ये केलेलं आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायला ते उपयोगी पडेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सॉल्ट विल अंडरगो हायड्रोलिसिस अँड देअर नेचर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल NaCl, इट इज स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड स्ट्रॉंग बेस, याच्यापासून फॉर्म झाले हे NaCl. देअर इज हायड्रोलिसिस Na प्लस Cl मायनस प्लस H2O, इट गिव्स स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड अँड स्ट्रॉंग base. So here nature is neutral. Both ions have equally neutralized each other effect. Okay, so his nature is neutral. Then next one, second one, copper sulfate salt undergo hydrolysis Cu plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2 plus 2 H2O, which gives strong acid and strong base. That means CuSO4 is formed by strong acid and strong base. So due to the presence of strong electrolyte is acidic, so nature is acidic, nature of strong parent. Here in both who is strong, there is a H2SO4 is strong, so nature of this solution is acidic. Then next one, CH3COONA, this salt sodium acetate when undergo hydrolysis is CH3COO minus plus Na plus H2O, which gives CH3COOH. It is a weak acid and NaOH is a strong base. Due to the nature of strong parents, it is a strong parent is a base. So nature of this solution is basic. Okay, then next one, NH4Cn. NH4Cn plus plus Cn minus plus H2O, which gives SCN, weak acid and weak base NH4OH. It is this ammonium cyanide is formed from their weak acid and weak base. So nature of these two is basic because their nature is depends on relative strength of weak acid and weak base. So relative strength of weak acid is 4 into 10 raised to minus 10, that is the Ka value, and the Kb value NH4OH is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So here Ka is smaller than Kb, that is the Kb is greater. So relative strength of basic is more. So nature of this solution is basic. The next one, NH4F, that is NH4 plus F minus plus H2O. When this salt undergo hydrolysis, it gives HF, that is the strong weak acid, and NH4OH is a weak base. So the nature of this solution is acidic because Ka is greater than Kb. So Ka, that is the strength, relative strength of acid is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 and Kb is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So Ka is greater than Kb. So nature of this solution is Ka, that is the acidic. Then last one is the CH3COO NH4, CH3COO minus plus NH4 plus H2O, which gives CH3COOH, weak acid, acetic acid, and ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is a weak base, and their nature is neutral because the value of Ka is equal to value of Kb. So Ka value is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 and Kb is the 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So both value are same, so its nature is neutral. लक्षात येते का बघा, salts upon strong acid strong base, strong acid weak base, weak acid strong base आणि weak acid weak base चे 3. जेवढं आपण आत्तापर्यंत स्टडी केलं ते सगळे दोन व्हिडिओमध्ये जे स्टडी केले आहे लास्टच्या 7 आणि 8 मध्ये, ते सगळ्याचं समरी इथं आहे. एवढं लक्षात ठेवलं तरी तुम्हाला पूर्ण ते पॉईंट काहीही त्याच्यावर विचारलं तरी या पॉईंटवर तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल. ओके.